Have you gotten the new Skullpanda blind box from Popmart? Hi guys, I'm Dell, subbing Shay for today's unboxing the mystery box by Skullpanda. This Skullpanda is by Popmart. It's a legit Popmart, so you can see the sticker here, and then on this side you can see the holographic here. So if you scratch it, and then there is a code, and then you can scan it to verify if this one is legit or not. But I can assure you this is legit, and it came from Popmart. So about the dent box, it was taken out from luggage, so that's why dent. And then based on my observation, my favorite would be thick wood, blossom is it? Yeah, blossom, and also lightning. So I'm hoping today's unboxing I would get one of them, or if I'm lucky, maybe I could get the mystery one. Hopefully I'm lucky today. The secret one. Hopefully I will get the secret one if I'm lucky today. Okay, so this is the choice that you will get, and if you're lucky you will get this one, the mystery one. So let's see tonight if we are lucky. Okay, I'm hoping, no, I wonder what I will get from this mystery box. So ready to unbox it? Ready? Sorry. Okay, nervous. Okay. Satisfied. What do you think I'm gonna get? Write it down in the comment. So are you done writing? Okay, let's open it. Okay, let's hope this one is the mystery one. So if I'm lucky tonight, this is gonna be the mystery one. Okay. The reveal will be in 3, 2, 1. So this one is lightning, is it? Oh, the one that I'm hoping to get. Wow, this is so cute. Oh, I need to carefully remove the plastic. It's cute, and it's also so fluffy. Okay. So you got like some kind of butterfly bow, multiple butterfly bow here. So it's cute. The color is also cute. You got like lavender, teal, white. Oh, they got earmuff here. And then the hands are here. Hi. And also got cape. Some kind of superhero, I guess. And then look at the hair. Cute color, is it? So pretty. Yeah, you can hang at your handbag, or maybe your keychain. Yeah, I'm gonna hang it on my keychain again. And also look at cute legs here. So if you check here, you can see there is a QR code next to the Popmart label, and then you can scan it to check if it's legit or not. So this is obviously legit. Yay! Look at what I got. Not lucky, but I'm still happy. Oh, there is a card in here. Here you can see Skullpanda and then lightning. You also can find silica gel here, label Popmart. So the bootleg one, I don't think they provide this. So have you gotten the Skullpanda from Popmart yet? And let me know what you get. So if you got lightning, same as me, let me know if you like it or not. But definitely you're gonna like it lah. Nothing could go wrong with lightning. Yep, she's pretty. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing session. So if you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up. Make sure to share this video with your bestie who enjoy unboxing video of Blind Box by Popmart. And lastly, make sure to subscribe for more video of unboxing Blind Box by Popmart. Unboxing and enjoy. What's Skullpanda?
Enjoy your Skullpanda.
Okay. Happy unboxing and enjoy your Skullpanda. Woo! She's pretty. I might hang it in my car. Please give a thumbs up.
Please the like first.
Give a like first. No.
Say first.
No, no.
Please give a like.
Please give a like. Give us a thumbs up. Okay. Okay, sorry.
Okay.